Hello, Chooks. Welcome to another interesting live vlog of mine. This time I will be featuring China's National Stadium. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share Chooks Mismo YouTube channel. You may also hit the bell below to be updated for more upcoming videos. Right here on where we are is the venue for opening and closing ceremonies of 2008 Beijing Olympic Games, popularly known as the Bird's Nest, where a dream begins. Construction of this magnificent modern stadium begins in 2003, became the focus of international attention. It took 3 years to complete. March 2002, China started for the design of the national stadium. Special committees chose the bird's nest design. Together with the architects and partners, AIUP, engineering consultant and China Architectural Design and Research Group made it happen. The Olympic Stadium showcasing spatial elements that includes architectural, cultural, public, and social, along with other criteria like aesthetic criteria that requires shape. That comes the idea of bird's nest, symbolizing collective form and collective people. My coming here is a quick visit. It's raining, but it won't stop us to explore and enjoy the place. I need to take this opportunity while holiday because right after the vacation, I am very sure that I will be busy again. So what I'm doing is sort of helping to unwind and energize myself from so much work and deadlines. And of course, from stress and feeling homesick. I miss the vacation where I have freedom to plan and travel. Most importantly, of going home, spending time with my family and loved ones. Like what I've said from my previous live vlog, I am looking forward that everything will go back to normal again. By the way, before I forgot, China is hosting the 2022 Winter Olympic, and the National Stadium is the main venue of the event. Shout out to Miss Shaila Ravago. See you in my next live vlog. Happy Chokes Day, everyone.